What are we gonna review today? Oh, oh, huh. Let's review this one. Alright, guys. Well, here it is, a new projector on the deal. Well, I bought this used mint condition on Amazon. But it seemed like it's brand new because you can actually see the Optoma taping. So it is look like it's a brand new projector. It is the Optoma H181X. I thought it'll show like stuff on the box to talk about, like the other Optoma that I did, but apparently not. So apparently this is look like it's a brand new product. I'm pretty surprised because, like I said, on Amazon it says it was in mint condition and it was used. This doesn't look like it's used. Do not break security seal. And it looks like there's still tape on it. So, the Optoma H181X. So, let's unbox this baby. Alright, so let's unbox this bad boy. Brand new projector, it looks like. Never been used. So, I got my knife. I really don't want to open this because, you know, I want to keep it sealed. But this is replacing the Epson 455WI, so I got to unbox this. So, let's go for it. And now it's worth nothing. I'm going to try to keep the box in mint condition. Yeah, that feels like a brand new projector. So, here it is, inside. Let me bring this up a little bit closer so you guys can actually see what's inside. So, inside the box, we got a quick start guide, quick start card, it seems, 2 batteries, a user guide, which it's a manual, quick start card. So we got a quick start card and 2 batteries. Mitsubishi batteries. That's weird. We got a power cord. Use at only 12 volts AC, of course. Duh. But, yeah. Man. We got a remote in the deal. Okay. Yeah, the remote. No batteries. Not included. So. Alright. So we got menu, 3D. This is a 3D projector also. Alright. So that's it on that side. The box is kind of falling apart, but alright, let's fully take the projector out. Oh wow, this thing is actually quite tiny. Okay. I want to keep everything the way it should. Alright, let's take the projector out here. And let's see if it's in mint condition. Oh my god, it's a brand new projector. Okay, well, they said that it is used and in mint condition. Looks like this is a brand spanking new projector. Let me see the lens. Looks good. Man, that lens looks absolutely amazing. So there you go. There's your lens, your vent, your IR sensor over there. Got the feet. Check the back. This is a 720p home theater projector, so you only got two HDMIs. RS232C. You got a USB power, so you can plug this into a Chromecast or whatever. Chromecast. Well, Roku. And then audio out and a mouse for service. Wow. Okay. Well, one thing left to do is take the protective plastic off. I really don't want to. Oh. That is pretty. That is nice. New. Inside the box. So the logos that we have in the back, it says DLP, widescreen, of course. It could do 235.1 with a special lens, so I guess that's what that means. Full 3D, so it's full 3D compatible with your Blu-ray 3Ds or your, I think the Xbox 360 could do 3D also. And then your HDMI logo. And then there's the button on the top there for turning it on. And then there's your focus. Here's your focus right here. I mean, this is your focus. Feels a little cheapy. Trying to focus this as much as I can. There we go. It does feel a little cheapy when I move it, but whatever. And then the zoom. Focus, my guy. There we go. And then the zoom, which moves the lens in and out like that. Alright. Not bad. So, let's see how many hours this thing actually do have. Because if it's new, in the box, sealed, and with this plastic wrapping on top of it, it's got to be a brand spanking new projector. So, in the next video, what we're going to do is we're going to plug this sucker in, turn it on, test it out, go through the settings, and see if the bulb in here is brand new. Oh, wait, hold on. How do you... And the screw for the bulb is all the way in there. And then there's where the door is, you replace the bulb. So, let's plug it in, and let's see it. See you guys on the next video.